Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of trending garlic bread without oven. So let's get started. Heat a kadhai and add approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. You may add more oil because we're not going to use the entire oil. Add 20 cloves of garlic while the oil is cold. Then fry at low flame till slightly golden in color. If possible, use bigger cloves of garlic because we want the garlic to be slightly golden. We don't want it to be crispy and brown in color. If the garlic becomes brown and crispy, you won't be able to mash them. Next, mash the garlic using a fork. Next, add 1/4 cup softened butter. I'm using salted butter for this recipe. Now mash and mix till well combined. Now I'm adding a cheese slice, but if you have got a processed cheese cube, you can grate it and add to this mixture. Mix well using a fork till the butter, cheese and garlic is well combined. Finally, add some chopped fresh coriander. If you're using unsalted butter, make sure you add some salt as well. Our delicious garlic butter spread is ready, which we have made without using oven. Now let's use it. Take a good amount of garlic butter and spread on the bread slices. With this recipe, you can make 6 to 7 garlic breads. If you want, you can toast these bread slices in your OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes or a little more, but I'm going to do this on my tawa. I still have got some garlic butter left, so I can make 2 to 3 more slices. So apply some butter on your tawa and place the bread slices. Toast them on both the sides till they become golden and crispy. Keep the flame low. It may take some time, but keep the flame low. Don't increase it, otherwise your bread will become brown but it wouldn't be crispy. Look at the delicious garlic bread, nice golden in color and it's crispy as well. If you want, you can cut each bread slice into 2 triangles. You can serve these garlic bread slices with some cheese dip, ketchup or chutney. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!